Hi everyone, as we all know that Microsoft has recently released Windows 11 operating system. In this video, I will download and install Windows 11. So if you are really excited about Windows 11 and want to install it now, then I recommend you to follow all the steps I carry out on this video. To download and install it, we have to register into the Windows Insider program, which is completely free and can be done in few simple steps. And it is available for all the Windows user. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type Windows Insider Program Settings and click on the Windows Insider Program Settings option from the search results. On this window, click on Get Started under the Windows Insider Program option. After that, click on Register option. Click on Sign Up option, and on this window, check this box and click Submit. Once you do that, close the window and click on Switch Account on this window. Choose one of your accounts from this window and click Continue. Go back to this window and click on Get Started again. After that, click on Link an Account option on this window and choose your account again and click Continue. Choose the Dev Channel option on this window and click on Confirm. Click on Confirm again. After that, click on Restart Now and restart your computer. After you restart your computer, go back to Windows Insider program again. Here, make sure that Dev Channel option is selected. Now click on Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. After that, it will start downloading Windows 11. It might take a while to download. Once the download is complete, it will automatically start the installing process. It might take a while for the installation process to complete as well. Once the installation is complete, click on Restart Now. After you restart your computer, Windows 11 will get installed on your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video.